guys, this is Mr. Tian Company for another flat visiting. So I would like to start by the first room with a big bed, 2 places. There was one point when you can set your luggage or your commodities that you don't use. Let's go just on my right, there is a bathroom, a big one. You can take a shower up or down. This is the entrance. Just on my right there is another room with a big bed. Just on my right a desk, some commodity to put your clothes. Directly here, this is a kitchen with many furnitures. It's provide you a fridge, plates, knife, forks, whatever, something very normal in a kitchen. Just there, a table where you can eat, directly connected by a balcony. This balcony gets a great view. This is the street. As you can see, during the summertime everything is green. It's very, very beautiful. So the sofa, the television, there is also a Wi-Fi connection, another desk, when you can work on it, a big windows with the same view like the balcony. And to finish, I would like to show you, just make a round of this apartment. So kitchen, table, rooms, sofa, television, climatization, ventilation, balcony and great view. We are in Tay Ho to Non Got Van number 67, 5th floor.